economic development, self-reliance. The twin flames that light the path of a nation's ascent. In the heart of this vision, beating with passion and purpose, stands CP+, a name that doesn't just promise protection, it delivers empowerment. Welcome to India's largest and the world's third largest CCTV manufacturing facility, a marvel nestled in Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh, spanning a sprawling 350,000 square feet, with 10 lakh more claimed for warehousing the future. This is not just a plant, it's an ecosystem of excellence. Precision begins here, on ESD floors in dust-free temperature-controlled spaces where the air hums with discipline and every moment is a step toward perfection. Each product born here undergoes rigorous reliability tests, meeting the standards of required in the industry. At the heart of this operation are multiple Japanese-made SMT lines, flanked by high-speed assembly and packaging units. Together, they birth millions of surveillance devices every month, and the numbers, just like our dreams, keep growing. More and more cameras here are being crafted to meet STQC certification standards because at CP+, quality is not an achievement, it's a responsibility. But this story isn't just about machines and milestones, it's about the 4,000 strong souls who bring this plant to life. 60% of them, women, mothers, daughters, dreamers, finding power and pride in every product they touch, from the smallest circuit to the final box sealed with care. Every product is a whisper of Indian ingenuity, a shout of self-reliance. With deep backward integration from lens assemblies to cable units, CP+ reduces import dependency and elevates indigenous excellence. Today, CP+ watches over homes, safeguards schools, protects hospitals, empowers cities. From bustling metros to serene hill towns, across continents and communities, our eyes never blink. This is Make in India, not in slogan, but in spirit. This is security, not just of space, but of trust. This is CP+, crafting not just products, but building a safer, smarter and stronger Bharat. Because when a nation dreams of self-reliance, it needs more than factories. It needs vision, it needs commitment, it needs CP+.